Hi, my name is Chris. We're going to go ahead and get the NeuroNode connected up with the Tobii and get it working with Communicator 5. So first thing we're going to do here is we've got a little Bluetooth dongle so it can actually connect with the actual device. So we're just going to plug this into a USB slot on the back side here. And this one lights up, thankfully, so we know it's getting connection. And that should recognize on the system here. Yeah, looks like we've got Bluetooth. So we're going to go ahead and get it connected up to the actual PC side so that it can recognize it. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to do a search here for settings. All right. Close out the keyboard. And then we've got devices section for Bluetooth, so we're just going to open that. Bluetooth is on, so we're good here. And we're actually going to do a fresh pair on this just to make sure that everything is showing properly. So we're going to remove off the NeuroNode that we have. And we're just going to press add on Bluetooth. And select Bluetooth again up here at the top. Just waiting for the NeuroNode to show up on our listing here. All right, and we just have to tap that one time. And then automatically connect it up, good to go. Just gonna press done. And it shows connected there on our list. So now it is connected to the Windows portion. Close that out. We've already got Communicator 5 open. So we're going to pull that up here, get to that home screen. Well, thankfully this is fairly easy. Once you're in, we're just going to go to settings, and then we're going to go into input method. So we've got gaze interaction selected right now, so we'll go ahead and make sure that we can do the switch with the gaze interaction. Select that here, and then the activation is what we're looking for. So we'll just make sure we've got it selected on switch here. And then once that's good and we've got that set up, it should be good to go. So let's go ahead and see if we can make a couple selections here. So if you notice, I'm not touching the screen anymore. I've just got the gaze selection, which is that red dot here. We're just going to exit out by making switches. And we are good to go. Switch is working with the eye gaze, connected with Communicator 5 and the Tobii. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and make the switch from the eye gaze interaction combined with the NeuroNode to just switch scanning. So let's go ahead and go back into our settings here, and we're going to go into input method, and we're just going to switch it right over to switch scanning. It's going to want you to confirm, press yes, and then that will allow it to do the actual switch scanning. Settings in here for how fast you want it to scan through. I'm just going to select 1 second just for a basic switch scan on that. Let's close out and get back to our main screen here. Let's just make a switch. So that'll scan through, and we're going to select this right arrow so we can just get a good visual of it making a selection and moving over. So good to go, and then we should be able to head straight back. And that'd just be with the switch scanning without eye gaze.